So get this. I just learned Relay Rides and OnStar have teamed up.
That's great. So what's that mean exactly?
It means, because my car is OnStar equipped, it's easier than ever for me to make some extra money while helping my friends and neighbors.
Like me.
Yeah, like you.
So how's it easier?
For starters, listing my car on Relay Rides is a snap. I just log on to my OnStar account, choose the car I want to list, and voila.
Ooh.
Nice, right? Relay Rides has everything they need to know about my car.
Nice.
Then I just upload a picture of my car, and you can start renting it.
Well, that's convenient.
I'll say. I also like that I can actually make even more money with OnStar.
Now you're talking.
Right?
How?
Well, OnStar makes it really easy to rent out my car. Once I've approved your reservation, we don't even need to schedule a meeting to trade keys.
That is so cool.
Yeah, you can just unlock the doors with your smartphone or by replying to a text message.
Wow.
Right?
Isn't technology amazing?
Sure is. And because it's easier to rent my car, it will get rented more often.
And when I rent your car, I get the added safety and security that comes with OnStar.
Absolutely.
So you make some extra dough, we both get the peace of mind that OnStar brings, and more cars are taken off the road.
A classic win-win scenario, thanks to Relay Rides and OnStar.
Yay! That's what I'm talking about. Have you thought about buying a Camaro? Yellow, convertible, racing stripes, nice rims. You know you want to.
Yeah, I do.